Hi guys, welcome to my channel. 15 divided by 3 in bracket 3 plus 2. Now 3 plus 2 is what? 5 times 3 equals to 15. Divide by what? This 15. 15 divided by 15 is equals to what? 1. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, BODMAS, we have to first of all solve what is inside the bracket. Then we divide, multiply, add, then subtract. So if we have to solve this correctly, three plus two is equals to what? 5. Remember there is invisible multiplication here. When the number is close to a parenthesis, any parenthesis, it means times. You have to times that number. So times 3 divided by what? 15. Now, you know that division comes before multiplication. So we have to divide. 15 divided by 3 will give us what? 5 times 5, which is equal to what? 25. So our final answer is what? 25. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Support me by subscribing. Share this video so that others can learn from this.